Get ready to amaze your family and friends with Volcano potatoes. They're just not going to believe you're so tricky. You can make something that pretty with not much sodium in it. 6 medium russet potatoes weigh 2 pounds and 4 ounces, and that's what we're going to use today. I don't peel mine. I cut them in quarters, boil them until they're tender, drain them, mash them with half a cube of unsalted butter, half a cup of heated milk, taste it, put some white pepper in it to taste. Once you got your potatoes ready, you gotta have a pan. I find that the prettier they look in appearance, the better they taste. I just don't like the Volcano potatoes in a metal cake pan, so we're using this one today. Potatoes are cooked and mashed and ready for action. Scoop your potatoes in the middle of the bowl in a mound. We are making a volcano. I like the texture and the look of having the peels in here. Mound it up and then make a crater in the middle. We can't use sharp cheese anymore because it's just got too much sodium in it. Kraft has an expertly paired cheddar and Swiss. I'm using 1.5 servings of this. It comes up to 42 grams. In my measuring cup, it's just a shade under 3/4 of a cup. 1/2 cup of whipping cream, whipped. You want to get your bowl cold and your beaters cold before you whip these. Fold the cheese in. Fold the cheese in. And we're going to pour it in the crater. Some of it's going to come out, and that's just fine because eventually more of it's going to come out. Please subscribe to my channel. If you want to get a little notification every Friday when I put a new video out, you'll get a little ding to let you know it's ready. There will either be a tip to lower your sodium or a new low sodium recipe for you to enjoy. Sometimes both. Potatoes are going in my oven at 350 degrees. They're going to brown real nice. 35 minutes and they're brown. It's the cheese. This is some of the cheese that has come out of the crater. Our whole pan has got 269 milligrams of sodium. 6 servings is 45 milligrams each. 8 servings is 34. It's always a surprise when I serve these the first time to people. They almost don't think they can get enough. It has great eye appeal. Goes nicely with almost any dinner. The only sodium we have in here, 44 for 1/2 cup of the milk. The whipping cream, 1/2 cup, is 40. A big ticket item is the cheese. It's the lowest I can find, 185. The peels that were left on the potatoes add some color and texture. Nice looking, great tasting.